Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a quick proof using first order logic. So we have three premises here. We're going to define H as being human, M as being mortal, and D as dying. So the domain is going to be all things. So there exists something which is human. Okay, for all things, being human implies being mortal, and for all things, being mortal implies that you die. So let's go ahead and prove. So our conclusion here is going to be that there exists something which is human and is going to die. So let's start out. We don't need a new subproof yet. So what we could say is, let's just say that Charlie is C. So Charlie is a human, which implies that Charlie is a mortal. So we can use universal instantiation for this. So in a similar way, we can also say Charlie is a mortal, therefore, or Charlie is a mortal implies that Charlie will die. So again, that's 3. It's going to be line 3 with universal instantiation. No errors yet. So now we need a subproof. So we've already said that we have Charlie as a human. So we'll start with this. So now, through modus ponens, we can get that Charlie is immortal. So that's line 4 and 6. Modus ponens. Next line, now that we have Charlie as a mortal, we can get that Charlie dies the same way. So line 5 and 7, modus ponens. So we're trying to prove that there exists somebody who is a human and who dies. So right now, we have both of those things. So let's go ahead and combine them. So Charlie is a human who dies. It's going to be using line 6 and 8. And this is called adjunction. So now we have proven that this person exists. So let's go ahead and put that down because we know Charlie exists. So something exists which is a human and who dies. And that's using line 9, existential generalization. So now we can finish this subproof here. So this is the tricky part. We're going to use the same thing. There exists an X, there exists something which is a human. Oh, I'm sorry, this is actually, I messed up here. This needs to be replaced. There exists something which is a human and that dies. Okay, so we're pretty much just repeating line 10 here, but we have to use existential instantiation. So that's going to be line 1 with lines 6 through 10. And what that is saying is that there does exist something that is a human. So on line 6 we're saying, well, Charlie is a human, he exists, and we showed that Charlie is a human and is also, well, he's mortal, which means he's going to die. So we have Charlie is a human and Charlie is going to die. We've proven that somebody or something exists that meets both of those criteria, and that's what the rule is. We started with some human exists, we found that human, We showed that that human also will die, so we've proven that there exists something that is human and will die. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Have a good day.